Hi friends, how are you? I am here with a new interesting question. 15 minus 10 bracket 15 minus 10. So mostly the students do in the way 15 minus 10 is equal to 5 multiplied by 15 minus 10 5, and their answer will be equal to 25, which is wrong. This question can be carried out. First of all, we will solve parentheses because PEMDAS says that first parenthesis should be solved, then exponent, then multiplication and division both have same priority, and then addition and subtraction. So first of all we will solve parenthesis, so it will become 15 minus 10 multiplied by 15 minus 10 will be equal to 5. Then PEMDAS says that multiplication will be carried out. So now we will do this step. It will become 15 minus 10 multiplied by 5 is 50. So 15 minus 50 will be equal to minus 40, which is our answer. Thank you.